Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie says he's reviewing the recent Contractor General report, which recommended a criminal investigation into the role of Member of Parliament for St. Anne's Southeastern Lisa Hanna, or the role Southeastern St. Anne MP Lisa Hanna played in the awarding of contracts by the St. Anne Municipal Corporation before making a comment. The report was tabled a few weeks ago in Parliament.
And if you look at the findings of the Contractor General here in St. Anne, I have not said anything publicly on the matter because I'm still awaiting, we're still going through the findings of the Contractor General.
Mr. McKenzie says he's determined to change the perception of local government to one that is trusted and respected.
But what I'm prepared to say is that the findings of the Contractor General does not also represent the changes that has been made since last year to correct some of the issues that has been highlighted in his report.